Hey, Ryan here with Thanks.io. Up on the screen, you see a mold postcard. It says, does address have mold? This is one of our dynamics with the background being the street view of the recipient address. And what we're doing here is we're doing one of our even flow staggered send pay-per-click tests internally for a B2B vertical. So let me say that another way. We're trying to get mold abatement companies to use Thanks.io. And we're going to do that by sending the thing that they might send to them. So this is a card that they might send. And on the other side, over here, the message side, you'll notice I've stripped away our usual branding. Usually you'd see a picture of me with some contact info and all that other stuff here. Instead, I just went with a background of the message side that just looks a little moldy. Just adjusted some opacity on an image in Canva really quickly. And then, hi John, scan the QR code if you've got mold issues at 123 Main Street. Now, obviously, this is going to the mold abatement company, and the idea here is they're going to be curious enough to think, what the heck is this? Because it's something they might send is very relevant to them. So that's at least the theory. So I'm going to have a QR code URL. When they get there, there will be a video of me saying, hey, you got this card because I'm trying to get you to send the postcard like the one you got. A little bit meta, but this is a test we're trying and we'll see how it goes. So for the even flow staggered send part of it, in case you're not familiar, let me save this in case I haven't saved it yet. The way we do this is we come into our campaigns section here on the left side, and then we've got a bunch going on, but let me find the mold businesses. So we've got a list of 2013 in here, right? And initially we did test this a little bit with a different card design and a different note card. And I will mention it didn't work out well, or not enough time has gone by. We started about a month ago, didn't work out yet. So that's why I'm here changing this today. So I should have said that up front. So now we're kind of launching fresh with this new card. And I have 2013 people on this list. I'm going to set the staggered send to be once a year, which will probably be about 5 cards a day actually, right? So if I divide 365 into the 2013 list, it'll divide that list up by the year and just send a few cards a day for me. I'm going to change out my message template, make sure it's the right one. I'm going to change out my image template. I believe that is the right one as well. There we go. Now it is. I can see those on the right side, and then I'll hit save and start campaign. So starting tomorrow, about 5 mold abatement companies a day will get this list. And in case you're wondering where I got the list from, we use DataZap currently. There's lots of different sources, but DataZap gives us a nice list here of mold abatement companies with a phone number as well that we can then follow up with a text or a phone call as the pieces are delivered. So we'll see how this goes. If you'd like to be notified or just kind of follow the story here as we do more of these internal tests to see what's working and what's not working, just make sure you're over in the pay-per-clickers school group. You can get there by just going to paperclickers.com. It'll redirect you over here. And then I'm posting these examples in this group as well as the results of these tests so you can follow along. So that's paperclickers.com. And of course, as always, go on over to thanks.io if you'd like to get some free samples and $10 in free credits to try all this direct mail automation stuff out.